Ficus deltoidea, unveiling the secrets of the mistletoe fig. Hello, plant friends. Furbu here, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the Ficus deltoidea, also known as the mistletoe fig. This unique plant native to Southeast Asia has captured the hearts of many with its interesting leaf shapes and adaptability. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cultivate a thriving Ficus deltoidea. See more 880 species in genus Ficus at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Ficus deltoidea special? The Ficus deltoidea stands out for its captivating foliage. Unlike its close cousins, the rubber tree and fiddle leaf fig, the mistletoe fig boasts a stunning array of leaf shapes. They can be triangular, ovate, or even lance-shaped, all on the same plant. This variability, once even leading to the name Ficus diversifolia, diverse-leaved, adds an intriguing element to its beauty. Another interesting fact is its epiphytic nature. In its natural habitat, the Ficus deltoidea grows on other plants, using them for support but not stealing nutrients. This characteristic makes it a captivating choice for creating miniature ecosystems in terrariums. How to care for Ficus deltoidea. Light requirements, sun or shade. The Ficus deltoidea thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a window rather than harsh, direct sun. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves, leading to brown spots and a stressed plant. Conversely, low light conditions can hinder growth and cause leggy stems. Tip: rotate your Ficus deltoidea periodically to ensure even growth on all sides. Watering needs. Finding the balance. Finding the perfect watering schedule is key to a happy Ficus deltoidea. Aim for the soil to be slightly moist, but not soggy. Here's a simple trick. Stick your finger into the soil. If the top 2 inches feel dry, it's watering time. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Remember, it's better to underwater slightly than overwater. Humidity, friend or foe. The Ficus deltoidea enjoys moderate humidity levels, similar to most households. However, dry winter air can be a challenge. Here are some ways to increase humidity around your plant. Group plants together. Use a pebble tray filled with water. Invest in a humidifier. Ficus deltoidea versus triangularis. I've found that Ficus triangularis has a striking triangular leaf shape that adds a unique geometric flair to my indoor jungle. While Ficus deltoidea's smaller, rounded leaves offer a more delicate texture and vibrant green color that contrasts beautifully with other plants in my collection. Mistletoe fig versus fiddle leaf fig. Both the Ficus deltoidea and the fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata, are popular houseplants, but they have distinct personalities. Here's a quick comparison. Feature Ficus deltoidea fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata, leaf-shaped triangular, ovate, lance-shaped large, violin-shaped light requirements bright, indirect light, tolerates some direct sun, humidity moderate to high growth rate moderate slower maintenance relatively easy can be demanding. Choosing the right ficus. If you're a beginner, the Ficus deltoidea's adaptability and easier care requirements make it a great choice. But for those seeking a statement plant and willing to invest more care, the Ficus lyrata offers undeniable grandeur. Common Ficus deltoidea problems and solutions. Leaf drop. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, sudden changes in temperature, or lack of light. Address the underlying issue to promote healthy growth. Brown spots on leaves, often caused by too much direct sun or low humidity. Adjust light exposure and increase humidity if necessary. Pests. Mealybugs and scale can be occasional visitors. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to keeping your Ficus deltoidea healthy. Can I prune my Ficus deltoidea? Absolutely. Pruning is a great way to encourage bushier growth and maintain a desired shape. Simply use sharp, sterilized pruning shears to remove unwanted branches. Tip: prune during the spring or summer growing season for optimal results. Can the Ficus deltoidea be a bonsai? Yes. The Ficus deltoidea's small leaves and tolerance for pruning make it an excellent candidate for bonsai cultivation. However, bonsai care is an art form in itself and requires dedicated techniques. Recommendation: if you're new to bonsai, it's best to gain experience with regular plant care before venturing into bonsai techniques. beyond the basics. For the curious plant enthusiast, here are some additional points to explore. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Opt for organic fertilizers whenever possible. Repotting. As your Ficus deltoidea grows, it may require repotting into a larger container. Look for signs like roots circling the pot or slow growth. Propagation. You can propagate your Ficus deltoidea through stem cuttings. Research proper techniques online for successful propagation. The joy of plant parenthood. Remember, caring for a plant is a journey of learning and observation. Pay attention to your Ficus deltoidea's subtle cues and adjust your care routine accordingly. With a little patience and dedication, you'll witness the magic of this unique plant unfold. Conclusion. The Ficus deltoidea, a rewarding companion. The Ficus deltoidea, with its captivating foliage and adaptability, is a truly rewarding houseplant. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving Ficus deltoidea that will bring a touch of the tropics to your home for years to come.